And here's a beauty queen who's making headlines for all the right reasons. Purva Rana, Miss India finalist 2012, made us proud by bringing home the title of Vice Queen at the Miss United Continent 2013. We caught the diva at the airport after her return to India. Here's Purva on winning the title and making India proud.
Making India proud in its very first attempt. Purva Rana, Miss India 2012 finalist, crowned as Vice Queen at Miss United Continent 2013.
So this is the first time that we're getting face-to-face with Miss Vice Queen 2013. So how's the whole feeling and how was your travel and everything? Tell us all about it.
First of all, my travel was really long. My journey was hectic, but I'm really excited to be back home and really blessed to be one of the beauty queens.
What do you think of the title Miss Vice Queen, since this is like the first time an Indian beauty has got this?
Oh yes, Vice Queen, Miss Vice Queen of Miss United Continent is basically it's a proposal to unify all the continents, and it is like president and vice president. So we have a lot of agendas to do, and this was held in Ecuador, which has a mini India too. I had a lot of supporters there, which was really nice.
Purva winning the second position at the global pageant held in Ecuador, after battling it out with contestants from 27 different countries.
What was the most challenging thing about this contest, since this is the first time we participated in it?
I think the most challenging thing for me was that it was completely Spanish. It was completely foreign language for me. I never knew Spanish, and which was a great difficulty. Language was a great difficulty.
So how did you break the whole language barrier? What was that one thing about you that really clicked according to you and that made you win people's hearts?
I think me being Indian was the thing that really clicked. I was just being myself and enjoying the moment, and I don't know, maybe I was very confident.
And the man behind the win, elated with her achievement.
I just met Purva Rana at the airport. She's the Vice Queen for Continent Unidos. Looking beautiful. Happy to be back. At Femina Miss India, at the Miss India organization, we have 8-9 pageants that we have acquired, and we are sending our Indian beauties all over the world. We are making an impact. It's time to show the world that India has beauty, it's diverse, it's rich, and our girls are here to stay.
After striking gold at an international platform, India's first ever foray into Miss United Continent 2013, Purva returns with new ambitions.
Most of the Indian beauties land up being a part of the Indian cinema. Are you having such aspirations or hopes?
Maybe. I'm looking for something really good, and let's see.
In Mumbai, Shaheen Daud for Times Now.